In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update GOG, specifically GOG Galaxy, in just a few simple steps. This is a really quick tutorial, but it can save you time if your launcher is acting strangely, not loading properly, or if you just want to make sure you're using the latest version with the newest features and fixes. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open GOG Galaxy on your computer. Once it launches, take a look at the top left corner of the window. You should see a gear icon there, which is the settings menu. Click on that gear icon to open the options. From the menu that appears, look for the option that says Check for Updates. Go ahead and select it. GOG Galaxy will now check whether there's a newer version available for your launcher. If an update is available, GOG Galaxy will automatically download and install it for you. In most cases, you won't need to do anything else during this part. Just let the launcher finish the process. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the update, it may take a few moments. Once the update is ready, GOG Galaxy may ask you to refresh or restart the application. If that prompt appears, click Refresh GOG Galaxy or follow the on-screen instructions so the changes can take effect. This step is important because it helps reload the launcher with the updated version. After the refresh, you can confirm that GOG Galaxy is updated and ready to use. That's really all there is to it. It's a simple process, but knowing where to find the update option can save you from unnecessary troubleshooting later on. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.